Right, this is a video of basic painting techniques. As I said before, we can trace onto wood or cardboard by using photocopies and putting lots of pencil on the back and then pressing really firmly, really hard with your pencil, and it transfers that pencil that you've done on the back onto the front, so you can then draw over it. Removable tape is a great way of making incredibly straight lines or very thin lines. So you put down this removable tape to whatever shape you want. I use the back of my fingernail to press hard the edges. I then paint over the top. You don't have to paint the whole thing in. You can paint some parts solid, some parts lighter. And then you peel up that tape. No need for it to dry. You have these incredibly straight lines. Now, sandpaper we can use to blend that paint in. It's also called knocking back, where you knock back part of the painting. So here I am using all those techniques, and I'm going to use them to make a little part of a painting. So peeling that up again. You always work from the back to the front. So I'm actually doing my background first. This is what will be in my background. I'm then using that trick of scribbling on the back of a photocopy to be able to trace onto my piece of wood or cardboard, and putting it down where I want to and pressing really hard, just like before, tracing out all those lines, and it transfers through that pencil onto the back. There it is there. So now I sketch it over properly. You often have it just being light. Okay, so with basic painting, you always work from the back to the front. So I'm painting in my shadows first. It's going to look really ugly to start off with, and that's okay. So what I'm doing is working slowly, lighter and lighter layers of paint, using the photocopy next to me all the time so I can see where the lighter parts are. I'm slowly building up those lighter layers. Always looks ugly to start off with. By the time you're finished, it's going to look great. Sandpaper, once again, to knock back parts, blend parts in. You can see it starting to look good now. All these techniques have all been used for all these pieces of work here, so you can use those techniques to create any of your own paintings.